Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya Shan kan sa Shemi Garai halor ka kai phot jong ka jingle jureb ki bor sarkar nang ni ka jilla halor ka rukumti ikimar po khando katkum ka jingsta sayan ha United States of America ha usnem arhajasan halor ka ni la pente pru sha ka National Green Tribunal Committee ha ka jingilang ka long ha ka khatlai trek mentau nailar arhajar khat khandai yakani la yutho do shong kanor jong ka National Green Tribunal Committee retired Justice BP Katake ubalayatho ba house nam arajarsan kila don ki resham phang nakani ke jela kibra lej ban pej nuksa ya karu komti ya ki mar pokhndo ha kari USA hanre ya ka sarkar Meghalaya hadu menta kampat shim ya kanu kanu karai halor kani ka kai phot jong kani ka jingwan jurep jong ki resham phang
been placed before the cabinet for a final decision because cabinet approval is necessary because it's a policy decision of government of Meghalaya, and as soon as that policy decision is taken, that would be placed before the joint committee of our committee plus the representative of Coal India Limited and the government's representative. We will deliberate on policy decision. And having regard to the Coal India's e-auction policy, they said that they will go for e-auction. September we will have the meeting, in Guwahati. And we will request the Coal India to fix the place of the meeting. That is one aspect of the matter. Relating to the other regular meeting, we have taken stock of the action taken by the various departments. And we have also asked the cement factories and power plants to furnish us certain information, which information they have furnished. According to them, apart from the coal as fuel, they also use the alternate fuel. And alternate fuel, how much quantity they use, they have given us that report. We will scrutinize all the papers furnished to us, including the environmental clearance given by the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Because there may be certain conditions in the environmental clearance given by the Ministry of Environmental Forest for use of the fuel. If it is only coal, then there is no permission for using the alternate fuel. There may be one issue, and if there is no such stipulation in the EC already granted, the issue would be different. So based on the documents they have submitted and based on the records maintained by the MOEF, we will take a decision. We are required to submit one report before the NGT by 31st of August 2019. We will definitely submit a report by 31st of August 2019 to the NGT detailing what we have done so far and what our impression about the matter. There are, as I told you, there are 24,392 coal mines in the Jaintia Hills district. Our job is, the Supreme Court has said that we will monitor the auction and transportation and auction. Transportation means the Coal India Limited may think that they will found some depots. For the central depot, there may be requirement of transportation, definitely requirement of transportation of coal from the existing place to a designated depot. There may be a requirement. But the Coal India initially told us that they will go for auction as is where is basis. And if it is as is where is basis, then the transportation may not be an issue before us. Because that would be, as is where is basis, that would be auction, basic price would be fixed. Then while transporting, that would be weighed. And weighman bridge have to be installed, or if there is no weighman bridge in the nearby area, then the payment has to be online payment to the Coal India Limited, and which thereafter will be decided whether it is to be released to the coal mine owners or not. That is the governmental job to be done. There was a team visited, we mentioned, I think I mentioned in the last time during the deliberation with you, that there was an expert committee who went to USA to study that. And they submitted a report sometimes in 2005. And we got wanted to know what the government has done on that said report. Today we have been informed that no decision till date from 2005 has been taken but the government is considering that report now, and they are going to take a final decision on the feasibility of that. As I told you earlier, that for individual coal miner to go for scientific mining may not be economically feasible by individual coal miner. There has to be a group formed, because the cost of the project may be economically not viable to the amount of coal extracted or to be extracted by individual coal miner. We are doing it. The CSIR, CMFIR, they came, they made a presentation. We have given them our feedback, and we asked them to undertake one pilot project. At least they should give us the report on the pilot project, how they propose to go into it, and what is the method of doing that for treatment of acidic water. We are on that job also. In the meantime, as you know, Professor O.P. Singh of NEHU, he is doing 2 or 3 pilot projects on that. And we have also received few proposal on that. One is from Trinity International for treatment of acidic water by means of the microalgae. Another proposal has come from Grow Diesel, the same method. That the last one we have received from, this is relating to the afforestation particularly, from that ecological task force that is under the control of the Ministry of Defense. They raised the task force of the local ex-servicemen, and they also go for it. They have also submitted a proposal. We have already constituted a subcommittee of experts to look into it and give us their finding to us, so that we can take a decision. We are not on that, because we cannot go into that aspect at all, because preparation of mining plan is on the individual coal miners, how they go about it, with the assistance of the state government, because state government assistance, to my mind, is required, because individual coal miners, they are may not know anything about how to go about it. It is the state government who has to help them out. As I told you, that individual mining plan to be submitted by the individual coal miner, 24,000, almost 25,000 coal miner individually, I don't know whether it is possible or not. Again, they have to form a group or the cooperative society or something like that. They have to come together.